Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we are working on another LaColors Glam ColorBlock eyeshadow palette look. This is look number 5. Can you believe it? Now this is kind of like a muted kind of bronzy halo eye. And I still think it came out really pretty even though it's kind of light. And I just can't believe it. Look number 5. So we're going to continue on with this, so stay tuned. I'm priming my lids with the Maybelline Master Prime Eyeshadow Primer. And I have powder to catch fallout. And the first shade we're using is the second crease shade in the palette. And it's just a nice, beautiful matte brown. And I'm applying that in the inner corner, outer corner. And I'm going to also be bringing that into the crease. Now this is on a kind of smaller tapered crease brush or blending brush. It kind of is almost like a pencil style, just so you get an idea of what kind of brush that I actually used. We're going to build that up in the crease. We'll build it up in the inner corner. Take your time with this if you're using this eyeshadow palette. Some of the shades need building up. Now, next up, I'm taking the highlight shade, the skin toned highlight shade in the palette, and I'm buffing that against the edges, and see how quickly that blended out. Very beautiful. I'm also taking that same shade as the actual highlight of the look, and I'm blending that under the brow and down into my crease area, and which I'm going to go back in with the crease brush and the highlight brush and blend those further together. They blend so nicely, so fast, and yes, it's really nice. These shades do blend very easily. Now that's a Wet n Wild's Photofocus concealer, and I'm taking that and I'm placing it only in the center of my lid, blinking to stamp it up to where my crease line is. And I'm going to blend it out with a brush, also blend it out with my finger, picking up any additional product so it doesn't stay wet and it's not going to pick or start creasing. So first shade on the center of our lid is the first crease shade in the palette. Now I really don't see a reason to use this in my crease. We'll see in the future though as we continue on making looks with this palette. But I did like it as a lid shade. It's a nice shimmery bronzy shade. I placed that on the lid and then I blend it in with the brown shade that I used in the inner and outer corner. Now that first lid shade I'm taking and I'm going to apply that in the center of the bronzy shade that we placed on our lid, so even further kind of highlight that area. And I thought this was a very easy go-to kind of summery eye. If you want to be kind of bronzed, I kind of bronze my skin a little bit extra and stuff too. I really do love how this look came out. I know I've said that about all 5 looks, but I'm impressed. I love it. I love LaColors, and for $3 we've already done 5 looks. And I also applied that matte brown to the lower lash line, and I'm going to tightline using the Jordana Black Point eyeliner pencil, the upper and the lower, but I didn't take it all the way in on the lower. Now this is NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and applied that in the inner corner, buffed it out, and we're taking the first lid shade in the palette. I feel like I need to say this in every video. I refer to them like that because they don't have names, but they are stamped with lid, crease, and highlight. So that's how I'm referring to them. Now this is Believe Beauty's High Drama Mascara. Another Believe Beauty mascara that actually is really, really great. So I applied a couple coats of that and the eyes are done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now for lips, of course, we're using the Maybelline 920 Nude Lust lipstick. I love this lipstick. And it just makes the look really pulled together. Also for this look, because the eyes aren't super overdone, you can use any kind of pop of color lipstick you would like. And I'm really happy with this beautiful summer bronzy look. So I hope you guys will try the look out for yourself. Go pick up the palette. I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. And like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching.